Alright, here's what we got. Engine's out. Wiring harness is over there. I think it's time to hit this with some purple power and a little bit of gunk. Pressure wash it and see what we end up with. So there's like your before. Lots and lots and lots of grease. Absolutely caked everywhere. Hopefully don't mess anything up with the water. And here's the engine. Also pretty oily. Plugged up all the exhaust manifold holes and intake. Transmission's pretty nasty. So let's get it. Alright, now that the engine's out, it's time to get the trans off and put it on a stand. Well, the problem is I don't have an engine stand, so let's take the daily out to pick it up from my boy Smart Builds. 36, let's get a cold start. Hopefully that's enough space for an engine stand. Should be. Shit. Engine stand secured. Tunes happening. Bucket seat in the back. Alright, back from our little mini road trip. Package has been secured. Alright, we got an engine stand. Now it's time to separate the trans. And I don't know how I'm gonna get it on there. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Alright, here's where I'm at. Obtained an engine hoist, an engine stand. So now it's time to get this engine off of the dolly, separate the trans and bolt it up to the stand, and then we can start diving into it. So I got these chains. I think I'm gonna bolt it to here, maybe somewhere back there. Stay tuned. Alright, so here's what I got. Got 2 chains bolted to the engine with 2 bolts. Hopefully that's strong enough to lift this. So we're gonna slide that over here and just try to rotate this. Alright, we'll set the camera. gonna take note of the hardware. So we've got, I guess this bolt's a little too long, so we've got some stacked hardware here. Boop, boop, boop. This one, no bolt. We got, let's see, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I don't think there's any on the bottom. That was alright, so all the bolts are out. I think this transmission is ready to come out, so I'm gonna raise it up a little bit and just try to manhandle it off of there. Let's see. Alright, transmission is out. Or off, I should say. What clutch is this? Who knows? That's coming off next. SR20, boy. Next up is to take off this pressure plate, the clutch. I'm not sure if I have to take the flywheel off. Probably. Would be good. We could check out that rear main seal and everything and go from there. Get this on that. Alright, so the clutch and flywheel is off. Doesn't look too leaky or anything back here, so now it's time to throw on that. Alright, so here's what we got. Engine is on the stand. It's ready to be torn down. Take medical.
Hold on. Quédame el estudio.
Hell yeah. Nah, it's good, bro.
Film too.
How are we looking?
Bring them. Oh, I got it. Sorry.
Are you good? You think this is gonna snap? You think it'll work?
Just hold it straight.
Quarter inch.
But turn it.
No, I know how to turn. I'm just saying it's like too small, maybe. All right, let's see. You probably start from the center, right? All right.
This is 1, 2.
Bet. This is gonna be probably gonna be tight.
You have a. Oh yeah, you use on the right too. Go right
I
way.
don't want to strip.
Oh.
Oh, I knew it was gonna break. All right, cool. At least it just. All right, fuck it. And I had.
No more. Oh, okay, you're good. Oh, spin it.
Oh fuck.
What? Oh shit. What the fuck?
Oh no, that means. Oh shit, yo! Look at the piston.
Ooh,
But the cylinder walls are perfect though. Aside from this. Oh fuck, yo, it's fucked. Or is that just the piston?
That's the sheet.
That's just the piston,
yeah,
right?
That's the
Or that's the sleeve.
sleeve. As you can see, piston rubbing. Boom. Oh, push up. Yeah, look at that. Look, it's bent.
It's not bent. It melted from the. It was running. So when it's there's no compression. So that means it's just a bunch of fuel. I don't fucking know. You're supposed to know the science behind this
I
shit,
wanna
bro.
look at the rod.
See, you think we're gonna get a bunch of metal in the oil?
Push it up.
How does it look? Looks like oil. I don't see any metal yet.
You have a magnet?
Yeah, look at that.
No.
Oh, it looks all flaky in there now.
That's okay.
No, it's actually not that bad. Looks like oil. It doesn't look like it's mixed with coolant, right? What's that?
Metal?
A piece of metal. It just broke from somewhere.
rod.
That was in the pan. It's sludgy in here. Damn, there's a lot of metal in here. There's another piece of the piston. Yeah, it's real gritty in here. Alright. Yeah, those, yeah, there we go. Yeah, boy.
That's the spot.
Good idea.
I think they left it there for us. Nah, they made it like that.
Definitely.
Right here. In front of hey.
Something in there? It's like a bolt or something. No.
Yeah, right.
There we go. Alright. Is this a hole? Oh, I thought it was a hole. Right.
Alright.
See what this looks like.
Right on the other side. Yeah. No, you're good. That looks underneath. Let me see.
Oh, bro, the bearing is brand.
Oh, no, you're good.
No, it has a little thing. Just no, these bearings are good.
That's because of the piston.
Because of them. No, and look, see, it didn't spin no
I
bearings.
feel like the guy misshifted.
No, supposedly the car overboosted. It overboosted and just broke the ring. Oh, look, is this a piece of the ring? Look, here's a piece of the ring. Nice. Oh, so that's what that other thing was in the oil pan, bro. That was a piece of the ring. Or the ring land or some shit.
Spin it.
I'm gonna spin it. Where's the oil pan? It doesn't fall over. Alright, you ready?
What's wrong?
There we go. Use up.
This thing is the head.
Huh?
It's the head.
Yeah, it's just the head. God damn, brother. Talk about ringland failure.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you call ringland failure. Alright, so here's where we're at. Engine is completely torn apart, sitting in pieces on this table. The block has no deep scoring. I'll get a light and show you better, but there's just some melted piston stuck here. Other than that, I'm pretty sure this block is salvageable. The head, on the other hand, might need to get resurfaced. I don't want to flip it because all of these are just going to fall off, but I'll get some footage of that. Right now, the mission is to clear off all this oil. Let's see if some purple powder and pressure washer gets it right.